This is designed to be a very simple LED kiosk that you can wheel into a room, hang vertically, and you don't have to build it is the best part. So everything is pre-wired, pre-installed. All you have to do is plug it into the wall. Holiday Inns, hospitality, banks, restaurants, that kind of thing. And the idea is that you guys can sell this as a way to generate profit as well. So we're only selling you the fixture. You guys can sell the consumables package in a way that makes a lot of sense for you and your customer, right? Currently, it's double-sided. You have the option to hang it or just have it floor mount, as you see here. When it comes in the box, it is pretty much fully assembled. The base does not come on. 4 screws to put the base on. We also include a cable hanging kit, so it's all in the box for you. So it's up to you how you choose to use it. Very versatile, very easy, everything in the box. Where we've seen a lot of these being used so far is vertically, we've had some customers use them as menu boards. So 3 or 4 kind of end to end with their menu printed on the front, much cheaper than most of the other options out there in the market. I think the big place we think we're going to see it being sold in larger scale is convention centers, right? So you think out here, you have a lot of directional signage, a lot of things that people are printing in the moment or for a show that are changed out, the next week or the next day. As a company, we're a pretty large manufacturer, so our minimum order quantities are not crazy. So if you needed this in white or blue or red or green or whatever it is, we could make this in different colors of aluminum. Obviously, you could also wrap it or paint it. We do also have the ability to build it with a die-cut base of a logo of some sort. LED drivers made by Keystone. This is important. A lot of fixture manufacturers do not use or make their own drivers. Everything we make has a Keystone driver inside of it. We've been making power supplies for 77 years. That's our secret sauce, if you will. The lighting part of this is very easy. The driver is what's going to fail. Our drivers are the best in the industry, hands down. Between us and Glance, they're going to have some in stock at all their DCs. We have 3 shipping facilities throughout the U.S. that pretty much we can get this to anybody in 2 days.